Top 10 cancer-causing foods. Top 10 cancer-causing foods. Number 1. Genetically modified foods, GMOs. The rapidly growing industry of genetically modified crops are infiltrating our food supply at an alarming rate. More than 90% of our crops are now genetically modified. No one, including the growers and manufacturers of GMO foods, knows the long-term effect they will have on human health. Look for GMO-free labels whenever possible or buy organic, which always means a product is not genetically modified. Number 2. Microwave popcorns. From the chemically lined bags to the actual contents, microwave popcorn is at the center of lung cancer debates around the world. The fumes releases from artificial butter flavoring contain diacetyl, which is toxic to humans. Make your own organic popcorn the old-fashioned way. It tastes better, doesn't release toxic fumes, and it is a healthier choice for you. Number 3. Canned foods. Most cans are lined with a product called bisphenol A, BPA, which has been shown to genetically alter the brain cells of rats. Many plastic goods, thermal papers, water lines, and many dental composites also contain BPA. Help protect your DNA by sticking to fresh or frozen vegetables that have no added ingredients for your family's table. These are better for you and available year-round. Number 4. Grilled red meat. While grilled foods can taste delicious, scientists have discovered that preparing meats in this way, especially processed meats like hot dogs, releases a carcinogen called heterocyclic aromatic amines. When you grill red meat to the point of well done, it changes the chemical and molecular structure of the meat. You are better off baking, broiling, or preparing meat in a skillet than on the grill. Number 5. Refined sugar. The biggest cancer-causing food by far is high fructose corn syrup, HFCS, and other refined sugars. Even brown sugar is highly refined white sugar with some of the removed molasses added back in for flavor and color. Refined sugars and foods made with them are the source of major insulin spikes and feed the growth of cancer cells. Since the majority of the sugar supply in the US is made using genetically modified GMO sugar beets, a healthier option is organic honey, coconut sugar, or maple sugar. Now, the oncologists are using diabetes medication to fight cancer cells. There is no doubt finally that those mutated cancer cells love sugar. Number 6. Salted, pickled, and smoked foods. These products typically contain preservatives such as nitrates, which are intended to prolong shelf life. The additives used in processed foods can accumulate in our body over the times. Eventually, such toxins cause damage to the cellular level and lead to the disease like cancer. When smoked food are cooked at high temperatures, the nitrates are converted into much more dangerous nitrates. Note, by pickled food, we don't mean the fermented foods you make at home. Number 7. Soda and carbonated beverages. Filled with high fructose corn syrup, HFCS, dyes, and a host of other chemicals, they are very bad for every aspect of your health. They provide zero nutritional value and rob your body of the nutrients you get from other foods. Adding diet to the label means you are also likely consuming aspartame, which is no better than rat poison to human cells. Number 8. White flour. When flour is refined, all nutritional value is removed. Then it's bleached with chlorine gas to make it more appealing to consumers. The glycemic index for white flour is very high, meaning it spikes your insulin levels without providing nutritional fuel. Number 9. Farmed fish. Commercial fish farming involves raising an incredible number of fish such as salmon. In a crowded environment, more than 60% of the salmon consumed in the United States comes from the farming operation, where they are treated with antibiotics, pesticides, and other carcinogenic chemicals to try to control the bacterial, viral, and parasitical outbreaks that results from cramming so many fish in a small space. Farmed fish also don't have as much omega-3 as wild salmon. Number 10. Hydrogenated oils. Vegetable oils are chemically extracted from their source, chemically treated, and more chemicals are added to change the smell and taste. They are packed with unhealthy omega-6 fats that Americans already consume way too much of, and have been proven to alter the structure of our cell membrane. Thank you.